Morning, we'll wake you back to the farm. We're going to start laying some plastic. We already did one row, kind of a test thing, kind of get the bugs worked out. First row went great, so I don't know. I hope the rest of it goes. But what we do 2 rows. We do a space like a drive-through, 2 rows space, 2 rows of space. Seems to work out better for us. I think with the first year we did 4 rows in a space, and it really worked us to death. So I'm gonna get started and do this next row, and we'll see how it goes. You can see the first row here. So we're gonna do the second row, then we'll do a space, and we'll see how it goes. So what I did, I took the side by side and I marked their drive-through space because I couldn't remember exactly how far to go. We usually do this with the John Deere, and my spacing I'm still working on. I can't remember. We did it so many times with the John Deere. John Deere was a little bit easier as far as spacing goes. All right, so we're gonna put another row in, and I'll tell you about my mulch and my layer, and we'll talk about it. But let's put another row in. Ready? Okay, so this is a Notes flatbed plastic layer, and it's made for a 25 horsepower 4-wheel drive tractor minimum, and that's one of the reasons I got it, and that's why I wanted another tractor too, because this pulls it fine. This is a 48 horse 4-wheel drive, and you can't tell it's back there. But one of the advantages, while I wanted 2 tractors, is I just tilled this morning, just about an hour ago. Whereas before we'd had to take the tiller off, put this on, pull, then if we went to the other garden, like we'll probably do it tomorrow or this evening, have to put it back on. I mean, it's just took 5 times as much time, plus we was working and didn't always get to where we want. So I just till this. It's nice, got some moisture in it, it's laying perfect. We can't get a better layer bed for this right now. So this is a biodegradable plastic that we're using. It's a 0.06 mil thickness, and at the end of the season, if you watch the video, we'll take a cutting hard and we go through here and grind it into the soil. It dissolves on soil contact. It's a cornstarch base, so the air don't affect it. Matter of fact, this sit out all year. And I think this is the second year we've used this row. I think we usually get maybe 3 years out of a row. I'm not 100% sure. I know we'll definitely get, we might get 3 years out of it. So, but this is our main vegetable. This is where it's going to be. And when we do the other side over there, that's just going to be cantaloupe watermelon. So I'm going to put about 4 rows over there, I think. And I don't know if we'll get to that today or not. I ran it through the tiller run through, and it wasn't quite ready yet. So, but now this thing, the way I've got it adjusted now, I've got for a loose lay, and that's how these wheels right here. If you want a loose lay, you put them straight, if you want a tight lay, like when we first started, now we use regular plastic mulch, and it's about say 65% cheaper than this. This is pretty expensive, but it saves us a lot of labor. So you have to lay it tight, so you turn them wheels in, puts more pressure on it, it stretches it. So this is called a loose lay, and I know it don't look like it, but you lay it loose and then the sun tightens it up, and it already looks tight to me. So anyway, that's all about this. And then of course you got your dirt thrower uppers, you got to adjust those. I got those adjusted for this, and the wider tractor is a little bit easier. Like the John Deere's got a wider stance, it makes it a little easier. I wonder if I could put some extensions on them back tires maybe. I don't know, I'm just talking out loud. But anyway, it all works off ground contact, no PTO, and it just naturally pulls it. You can also get a fertilized attachment on it, and I thought about getting one of those. When we went up to Pennsylvania last year, I was going to stop by the factory and see how much they were and if I liked it or not. But I forgot about it, so I didn't make it. But I thought about maybe, and that way just lay it in the rows. You know, back in the old days, we would have broadcast this whole area when fertilizer was cheap and now it's expensive. So I might look in there. We might run up there one day this winter or something, just take a look. All right, so enough talking. I'm gonna get back to laying some mulch or plastic. So when I get to the end, I raise it up, pull some back, and then I'll take my scissors and cut it, and I'll show you that here in a second. Then I'll take this shovel and cover it up. So it's really not that big of a deal. Still not real happy with my space in here. I mean, it's not the end of the world, but I think it's just too far apart. Anyway, all right, I'm gonna get this cut and we'll try it on the next. All right, we got it. We got 14 rows in, and we're through on this side, so we might not do the other side till in the morning or this evening, so we'll film it when we do. Depends on the wind and all that stuff, but this is the first time I ever went without a hitch. Didn't have not one single problem. Everything went good. And now it takes two people to do this. I got my cameraman behind us there. So, you know, she'd have to do one end, I'd have to do the other. And after yesterday, I'm surprised she showed up for work today. It's kind of expected her not to be here.
What was yesterday?
Remember we got that thing wrapped around there?
Oh, yeah.
See, I guess that's a good employee. You forget about yesterday, all the hardships. All right, so we're gonna go eat some peanut butter and jelly sandwich and watch a little Judge Judy. And if it's not windy, we'll come back and put 4 more rows in the other side. And we really kind of need to clean up a little bit. So we might, if it's too windy, we'll do that instead. All right, so we're gonna wait some lunch and we'll be back. Alright, so I just unloaded a bunch of feed, chicken feed. I left it in the truck and I was going to do it this morning, and I woke up about 5 o'clock and it was coming a thunderstorm, so I had to go get it and put it side by side. So anyway, but I mean, I got it unloaded. But I've been stopping by this first coop, or Eggmobile number 1, and a couple times, different times during the day, and gathering the eggs because they've been breaking them. Don't know if there's one doing it on purpose. I kind of been watching. I can't find it, so I've just been doing them already. So I just stopped here and I got half a dozen out here. So you can see how pretty they are. That way, maybe they won't break them. And usually stop like mid-morning like it is now, and I'll stop again about 2 if I'm out here, and get them out then when I do my regular chores. All right, so we got a terrible rainstorm yesterday. We're gonna check our plastic, what we did, and we were gonna finish laying this morning, but it's gonna be too wet, I think. We're gonna check it out, and let's go down here and see. I think everything looks great. We've been doing this for what, 6, 7 years? Maybe this is our 7th time, and yesterday was probably the best time it ever went. We didn't have any problems. Got kind of tired, but that's because of the day before. But it all went smooth. Everything was set up right. I mean, we've come back today, and it's really the wind's really blowing pretty hard right now, and I don't see nothing flapping. Nothing's good, so maybe we've finally learned how to do it after 7 years. So it's kind of muddy. I don't know. We could plant some. If it don't rain anymore today, we might plant some this evening. All right, let's go see the other one. Well, let's stop here. I gotta water my plants here first. Let's do that. All right, I don't know what else we're gonna do today. You know what, we might be able to, it's a little bit damp, but you know when the rain's supposed to be back?
Oh, I think it's later this evening, about around 5.
It's really not that bad wet. If we could, I've got to till it. I could till it. If we could get some plastic though, you gonna try it?
Yeah.
Or is you going to the church? Okay, we got 4 rows in, and I think we're through for now. This one did not go as well. Still wasn't bad. Wind's blowing way too hard, and the dirt's a little too wet. Didn't get a real good till on it like the other one, so I mean, but it's all right. It's just for it didn't really till as good as the other side did. The other side was perfect as far as moisture. This had a little bit too much in it, but we got her done. So I get to take this off the tractor now. And the reason I want to get to that, I got a new piece of equipment I want to try out. I got a new hiller. It's to hill my potatoes and eventually hill the corn. And I'm gonna put it on this tractor and hit them potatoes. Might even get that this evening, but not on this video, because I got to practice a little bit. I might come up here and practice in the watermelon patch. But like I said before, this is going to be all cantaloupe. Right behind us is going to be watermelon, and we're going to use that fabric. And I might have to order some where I tore that one piece up the other day. So I don't know. We might one day next week, if it ain't winter, ain't no way we could do that today. Ain't no way. But we'll get it. I appreciate you watching. Give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, support your local farmer. We'll see you down here in the farm next video.